Like many boys his age, Paul BLAZER sold magazine subscriptions to earn extra money. His best sellers were the Saturday Evening Post and Ladies' Home Journal, owned by Curtis Publishing Company. Unlike most teenage boys, he hired a full-time adult secretary to manage his growing business. He was an excellent student. Math and trigonometry came easy for Paul, and he would read the textbooks as though they were exciting novels. He was very athletic. As a high school senior, he high jumped 5 feet 3.5 inches. At the time, jumpers made the U.S. Olympic team by going just 3 inches higher. He finished high school at age 16, attended William and Vashti College, and made his magazine business even more successful. As a college student, he wrote Curtis Publishing a letter outlining his ideas for improving their sales efforts. They invited him to Philadelphia and offered him a job as head of their school subscriptions all over the United States. Soon he was making over $10,000 a year, which adjusted for inflation was well over $260,000 a year. He was 19 years old. This is just the beginning of the story. Paul G. BLAZER went on to be the chairman of Ashland Oil and Refining Company and a true industrial legend.